No trip is complete to the south without stopping at a Cracker Barrel. All of you people in California that have never been to one, get out and try one. They're fantastic. Oh, have to ask for it now. They serve real maple syrup in these little jars, and they always serve it hot. But some clown from California was out at one of these and sued them for getting burnt. So, ruined something else. That is what I'm talking
Oh, like my day, I just got here.
Yeah. Can I have another one also? Real maple syrup. Only place I know that serves it. Make sure you get it hot. As you pour it, you add any butter on there, completely melts it. One is never quite enough. Two is more than enough, but sure does come out good.
My dessert. Biscuit with honey. I used to not eat honey because it made your fingers sticky, and I can't stand anything sticky on my fingers if it's not totally organic. But I discovered because of these biscuits and this honey that I really liked honey, so I don't eat it very often, but I always do it at Cracker Barrel for dessert. This is no exception. All right, now if it drips on me, I freak out. Okay, got on my finger. Isn't that funny? Freaks me totally out. Wouldn't eat ribs till I was 30 because I didn't want to touch them.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll be next.
All right. How are you doing today?
It'd be good. How are you?
I'm all right.
Good.
How was lunch for you?
It was breakfast.
Breakfast? How was breakfast?
It was good. Your solidified chicken embryonic fluid was gelled perfectly.
Good.
Your pig belly was still wiggling.
I don't know if that's good though.
No.
Pig belly.
Yeah, pork. I didn't want to say a little suckling pig because people get offended, right?
Yes.
There's 3 chili places known for Cincinnati chili. I know Skyline. The other 2 I don't care about. Never had this before. I've only seen it. Only thought about eating this. It should be really good. It's a unique chili we don't have in California. I can't wait to get in there and try a bowl of this.
We're on our way to Richmond, Kentucky for Parker Hastings' graduation. So I told Wayne, I said, you know, this is kind of an eat-a-thon trip for him. I said, we got to go into at least Louisville, and so you can go to Scalini's and taste the famous 3-way chili.
Here we are, Skyline Chili. I thought we were going to be in Ohio. It's Kentucky. Some most amazing stuff. It's an iconic thing. Every state has some amazing food. Skyline Chili. There's nothing else like it. Chili, but not like Western chili. Spaghetti and cheese. Man, it's got to be something to taste. I can't wait to try it. I've slobbered over my phone looking at Bresh as he's eating it. Now's my turn.
Twist it around and enjoy it.
Wow.
It's good.
It is. You get the spaghetti, then cheese, and chili's underriding it. And then that chili flavor comes through. And it tastes like the cardamom and stuff in it. But it's not overwhelming. Wow, what a unique taste. Holy smoke.
Throw a little of that and see if you want that.
What is this?
It's like a Tabasco, but it's their own
Oh, okay.
version of it.
I might try just
Yeah.
a little. This is a big one. Wow. Actually, it works well with that. This is amazing. Second bite. Thank you. Drink a soda.
Look at her.
It's following her every move. Come over this way. See if it goes. Just come around and walk over here.
See if it'll go up. I'm wondering if it'll go up because it's got her face.
Little Coney dog here. It's packed full of chili and cheese, and I'm not sure how to do this. This is good just on its own too. I don't know, can you see how much cheese is on here? They are generous with the cheese. You get shorted on the weenie, you know it's a white guy that started this place. That's just a little thing. But it is good.
Don't leave any room for dessert.
Oh, not me.
Graeters. Graeters.
Graeters. Forgot. No.
We're here at Graeter's Ice Cream. The place is famous. It's been around since 1870. These guys thought ahead. Looks pretty modern to me. They've done good. I can't wait to try this. This is another, you just have to travel to get to this. These aren't every place. This is here. And I wish you all could be here to try it. It's going to be good. Could I try your mint chocolate chip?
Yes, sir.
Basically, I just want some free ice cream. Because I'm probably going to order it anyhow.
Let's run through. We'll try them all.
I like the way you think. How many flavors you got?
A lot. What was that?
Might be
Maybe.
If it works out and we all get
a
rich.
cup of chocolate chip mint. That's what I
Chocolate,
want.
mint chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chip. Chocolate chip.
Yes, sir. I just was making sure.
But this is the number one seller here.
By far.
By far.
Depending on how they look, I would know if it's, you know, a white teenage girl that they're getting black raspberry chip every time, and I would be right every time.
I'll go ahead and try one too. This is good.
Yeah, it's real good. My favorite is the Buckeye chocolate chip. Do you like peanut butter?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You can't go wrong with it.
Promise.
There you go, sir. It's chocolate ice cream, chocolate chips, and peanut butter cookies.
How good can this get? The first one was amazing. Raspberry's incredible.
If you're here, you might as well try it. You know?
I know. These people are great. He said you can have a taste of every ice cream they have. You don't have to buy anything. You'll be full when you're done, I guarantee you.
I would do.
No, I'll do the raspberry. I'll do a single scoop.
You put that in a cup too?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
He asked me if I like chocolate. As I ordered, this incredible raspberry chocolate ice cream. These are the chocolate chips that go into the ice cream here. Look at that. That's chocolate chip, folks. How'd you eat this? Well, not all at once. Wow. That's some good chocolate, good ice cream. Look how thick that is. I mean, that's a hunk.
BD TV.